Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys, and this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. And I have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, if you are interested, if you want more clarity, or if you have some doubts, you can watch that reading, guys. So, that will follow this general energy, guys, Taurus. So, let's start with these cards for your general energy. We have the Hierophant in reverse, Five of Pentacles, and Five of Wands. So, Taurus, in your situation, you are working really hard, striving really hard, making lot of efforts, maybe in your career situation or maybe in your relationship. You are trying hard to find that understanding between you both, and you are trying to overcome all those difficult situations you are facing today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are facing some financial troubles. So in your career, maybe there are some difficulties you need to overcome. And for some of you, it may be some illness or sickness you have, or it may be someone's illness, guys. In your situation, it may be this person's illness or sickness, something worrying you or stressing you today, guys. And maybe for some of you, these troubles have brought you both together. Maybe you have cared for them or they have cared for you, and you are building that beautiful understanding, Taurus, because of your tough situation. Things have helping you both to come together. So no matter what differences you have, all those difficulties you are facing are bringing you both together, making your relationship much more stronger, guys. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. Taurus, let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, maybe you have love, you have a good understanding, and for some of you, the way you are, maybe the way you behave or the way you act, you are someone in a very important position in life, guys. You are someone holding an important job. Maybe you are a team leader or a manager, someone holding an important position in life. So that may the way you behave or the way you act, this person may feel that you are too controlling or trying to show your power and authority, maybe trying to boast. So that again may worry this person. So you need to go for that helpful, humble nature, guys, in your relationship, Taurus. And let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Eight of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, Taurus, maybe you are you know the truth today, maybe what went wrong or what is the reason for troubles in your career situation, and you are having people who are loyal and dedicated. So you have people who have that positive intentions towards you and towards your work, and all your mistakes or imperfections are just going to disappear, guys. For some of you, I see So you are striving hard or you are progressing in a positive way in your career situation, guys, Taurus. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards. So you can think about your situation. Maybe you have some doubts or some questions in your mind. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal. We have 3 crystals, guys. So if you choose that way, the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's meditate together, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. What it is, let's see what it is. I will keep these cards aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, those who have chosen this card. It is Imagine. So with this card, it just means that all of us have beautiful dreams or fantasies about our life, about our love situation, and we enjoy those fantasies, or we just enjoy daydreaming about this person we love or about our future love. And it may be romantic and extremely pleasing, but you need to understand that if you want that experience in reality, you have to go for that action instead of just daydreaming, guys. And you have to make the efforts, maybe start relating with the people you like. Maybe you can step out, start communicating, and that way you will meet the right person and you will be able to manifest all your dreams that you have. And maybe for some of you, there is someone entering your life, the person of your dreams, with all those beautiful attributes you have dreamt about. So you are going to meet such a person very soon, guys. That is the energy with this card. And if you imagine that way, maybe that person will enter, or if you even imagine that this person is going to enter, and when you have that positive intentions for yourself, it is simply going to manifest. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this first card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the reading with this crystal and this card for those who have chosen the second card. We have Turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for you all, guys. So sometimes in our relationship, maybe of our past relationship, or maybe based on our memories or experience, we keep telling a particular story to ourselves, and we simply cannot find the person we love, maybe with those qualities we want. So it is time you just have think of your situation from a different perspective. When you do that, you will realize your mistakes, maybe, guys. So whatever has gone wrong, you will be able to acknowledge that, and you will be able to tell a different story, reframe a different story. That way you will gain greater wisdom and strength to deal with your situation. And that may be the reason that you have not found the person you like, guys. Maybe so the love you simply yearn for, you are not able to find because you need to change your perception, guys. So you need to tell a different thing, maybe see your situation from a different perspective. So that way you will be able to handle your situation better, and you will be able to get a better relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you no longer need to focus on all those mistakes or shortcomings that was there in the past. You can let all that go and move forward with that freshness in your mind when you have your vision based on a different perspective. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the third card with this crystal and this card. So what is the card? We have the Light Princess, ungrounded. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, we need to have compassion and empathy along with intelligence, guys. And life teaches us many lessons, and we become more and more compassionate, kind and empathetic based on our experiences. And we should be able to relate to the other person we are with, maybe try to work with them, try to be really kind and compassionate to them, relate to that person. So when we are able to do that, when we are able to connect with that other person, we will be able to build a better relationship. And we should not stay aloof or isolate ourselves, escape from any any difficult situations. We should feel that true connection with the people we are with, help them in whatever way we can, maybe or we can be with them. Just relating with that other person is going to help us, or it is going to take us towards a beautiful relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for you all today. And we should not try to escape from any difficult situation. Maybe escaping from a difficult situation, we can avoid that pain and stress, but we will not be in that connection, or we will not be able to build a meaningful connection. We will be alone, guys. We will isolate ourselves. So that is the energy here. So we should not isolate ourselves. We should go for that compassionate, grounded relationship. So that is the energy here. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.